Right, so I have ordered a new camera stand, but it's not here yet, so I've had to put the camera up on top of the door so it doesn't fall off. So what I've done is welded on 4 tabs with some adjusting screws. This is so that I can get this into the best possible position. Now what I'm also going to do is get my bolt jack on the inside and just squeeze the last millimetre out of it and get it as near as I can. I mean, it really is very close. The other thing I need to do is I need to be able to spin this round easier. It's really awkward now, especially with all these little penetrators sticking out all over the place. So although I can get it round sort of semi-easily, at this point, I need to be able to spin it all the way around properly now. So I need to think what I'm going to do. I don't know whether to use these. Could use these as some sort of rail track. Alright, so I've managed to fix the camera stand. I've ordered a new one, but it hasn't arrived yet. So I'm on a kind of repaired camera stand and it can't swivel, so I've had to put it on wide angle. Anyway, so today what I'm going to do is build a new trolley or a new roller for the sub, because I'm ready to put the end caps on and I need to be able to spin it all round. I want to weld these in position, so I'll show the roller frame I'll show it in the CAD drawing.
Okay, so this is the frame that I'm going to make. It's fairly straightforward. The idea is obviously that the hull can sit on the top there and I can revolve it around to get the end caps on. I've also done it so that I can fit the tower on if needed. That will clear underneath, as you can see. The only bit here is that it will just clears these parts here. It's a little bit tight, but it does do it, but it won't clear when I put the battery pods on. So what I have an idea of is if I change something here, say like, oops, that's a bit too much, just bear with me. If I change it, then I can modify it, and this is a different drawing, so this is a different idea I had, but just to demonstrate that once I've got the end caps on and possibly the tower, I'm not sure if I'll put the tower on before the battery pods, but anyway, point is that I can just cut the frame in half, extend it a little bit, and then move it to the edges so that I can then get the whole thing, so I can weld the battery pods on. Yeah, so that's the current stage that I'm going for at the moment. I'm going to put some braces across here actually, but I haven't shown them.
So that's the drawing, and I forgot to print out and bring the drawing with me. So I've just looked up on my computer and I've got it on this piece of paper. So I'm going to start cutting the flats first for the wheelbase things. These need to be 150. Right, this is I've got the heavy duty blade in, so I can only cut certain sizes. So I'm going to have to get the other saw out for the moment for the other stuff. I haven't used this for years. This is the saw I did all the chopping with Jodie B on, and it's gonna be what I need for this job. Right, the problem with this is it makes an absolute racket, and I've just realised I haven't got much of a blade left and I haven't got any new blades, so this is going to be a bit of a failure, I think. shape, so I've cut all the bits, sort of half with the chop saw and half by hand. Really need to get a new blade for that saw. Not that I use it very often, but when you need it, you need it. So I've got to do this in my my limited space, so I'm going to get these ends first, I think, done. Then I'll get this lifted up and then I'll weld it in situ, I think. Maybe. That one's wonky. Don't know how I did that. Wonky. Yeah, it'd be nice to have one of them proper welding tables with all those clamps to hold it down and stuff, but this is what I got, so let's get on with it. Right, this one has just ended up a little bit shorter than the rest for some reason, by about 5mm, so I'm just going to pack it out with some washers when I weld it. I think either that or I just pack the wheel up. Now I think it'd be better to pack the thing up, otherwise I'll forget about it, so I'll just put something in there. Oh, Ruby. I think Grandpa's come to rescue you. Come on, this way. This way, this way. I hope it is Grandpa. Oh, it is. So I've just put a couple of washers, big 5mm washers under there to take that little gap up, and you know, predictably they're stuck. Now I was going to try and batter them out, but actually they're probably better off staying in there, help it hold it in the right place, so I'm just going to cut them off. So I was going to, I think I'm going to assemble it now. Yeah. Right. I haven't ground enough here, so I'm just going to go straight onto the paint, and I'll probably end up having to do it again. Not too bad actually. Funny smell that red oxide paint makes, but it was a lot better than I thought it was going to be. So a while ago I made, I bought this trailer tug, and I had to change the wheels. The original wheels were these little ones, so I used these wheels for the call it. So I need to just modify this now. Don't go in there. I'd really like to sell this actually. It's a really good machine. It's a shame for it to be sitting around doing nothing. It pulled at least 2.5 tons on flat. So, just the last thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to, before I tighten them up, just going to make sure that the wheels are actually in line. It's fairly obvious, but where's the socket? Just to get them, give us a fighting chance of keeping everything lined up. Okay, so that's kind of complete. I'm going to put the sub on it now and just make sure that everything's okay. I'm sure it will be. But then I think I'm just going to put a brace across there, just because I just don't like. There's a lot of leverage on that. I think it'd probably be perfectly all right as it is, to be honest. But I will put one on, and then for the next stage. Which is to put the end caps on. What I've actually done is just to tweak out the last little bit of where it's not quite fitting properly. What I'm going to do is get the bottle jack, and I've made these are made out of oak actually. These were from Scaddock skids, bits left over. So I've just kind of shaped them to the shape of the hull. And I'm going to put the bottle jack in between and just squeeze out that last couple of millimeters. I know I could get one of those Porter Pack hydraulic sets, and they look really good actually. I almost bought one, but I think I'll just do it with the bottle jack. I'm pretty sure it'll be all right.